In this video, I'll show you how to outline an image using Canva. If you are a Canva Pro user, you can easily create outline of any of your image. If you are a Canva free user, you can also do this, but you need to follow another way. So how we can do this? First, create a canvas and upload your image to your canvas. And now just remove the background of the image by clicking here, and now you see the background of the image has been removed. And now click here and click edit button, and now in effect section go to or click shadows. You will find a lot of different types of shadows here, and now select the outline, and you see this outline color is black. You can adjust it to your preferred color by clicking here and selecting your own color. Let's say I want to make this color yellow, or I want to make this color red. So you can easily do it, and you can also customize the size of this border or outline. You can also control the intensity of the outline. So let's say I want to make the background color this color, and now the outline color white. So I need to go here and click the shadow, and now I want to make this border or outline white and want to increase the outline size. Okay, that's it. So in this way you can make any of your image border or outline. This is very simple, but one thing you should remember that this feature is only available for Canva Pro user. You will not get this feature if you are a Canva free user. If you are a Canva free user, you can also do this, but you need to follow another way. Just first remove your image background from remove.bg. Go to this website and upload your image. I want to remove this image background. So my image background has been removed from this website, and now download it. My image has been downloaded, and now upload the image in Canva. So go to upload section and upload the image without background. Now adjust the image here. Let's say I want to change my background first, and this is the image, and I want to make this image outline as white outline. So now click the image and click the edit button and go to effect and click shadow button, and now select outline and customize outline color. I want to make this outline color white, and so that's it. You can also have other shadows option available. Let's say you can also make the outline as glow or drop or curved, or you can try other options as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw your comment. I will read and reply each of your comment. Thank you so much.